How long would it take to get to the moon using different ways to travel? First up, walking. Imagine there's a road from Earth to the moon. If you could walk 5 kilometers per hour, it would take you a non-stop walk of 8.7 years to reach the moon. But what if you had a scooter, traveling at 60 kilometers per hour? At that speed, it would still take about 9 months to get there. Want to go faster? Let's drive a car. Cars can usually go up to 120 kilometers per hour on highways. Driving to the moon at that speed would still take at least 133 days. Compared to that, if a snail tried to crawl to the moon, it would take over 5,000 years. Next up, high-speed train. These trains run on special tracks at very high speeds. For example, on the Beijing-Shanghai line, high-speed trains can reach speeds up to 350 kilometers per hour. Traveling to the moon at that speed would take only about 45 days. But ground travel can't beat flying, right? This is a passenger plane like we've all flown in. They usually fly high up in the sky. Flying to the moon at 900 kilometers per hour would take about 17 days. That's just over half a month. But if we used a supersonic plane, flying at twice the speed of sound, at Mach 2 to the moon, it would only take 6.5 days. Finally, a spaceship, humanity's space vehicle. If we could maintain escape velocity from Earth to the moon, that's 11.2 kilometers per second, or over 40,000 kilometers per hour. It would only take about 9.5 hours to reach the moon. But have you ever thought, light only takes about 1.3 seconds to travel from Earth to the moon? That's because the average distance is about 384,000 kilometers, and light speed is about 300,000 kilometers per second. But looking at the vast universe, even light speed feels like walking slowly. To get from Earth to Mars at light speed, it would still take over 3 minutes at the fastest. But to leave our Milky Way galaxy, it would take at least 20,000 years. And currently, humans can barely achieve 1,000th of light speed. This really limits our ability to travel to the deeper universe. That's why the moon has become humanity's first choice for venturing to another world.